Okay, so we want to get the variable alone. So in order to get the variable alone, we're going to do the opposite operation. We got to remember, hey, the opposite of addition is subtraction, and the opposite of multiply is to divide. Okay. So now what we want to do is we want to say, let's get rid of our addition and subtraction first. That's a little trick that kind of helps us out. So if I want to get this x by itself, I have to get rid of this plus 4, and the opposite of plus 4 is minus 4. And remember, you have to do it to both sides of the equal sign. You know, if I have 10 over here and I have 10 over here, if I minus 4 from this side, I have to minus 4 from this side to keep everything balanced and equal. So what's going to happen is the 4's are going to cancel out. So now I'm left with a negative 2x, and these signs are different, right? So 10 and a negative 4 is a positive 6. So now what I have to do is I have to get the x by itself. So that means I have to get rid of a negative 2. And in order to get rid of a negative 2, I have to do the opposite operation. So the opposite of times a negative 2 is divide by a negative 2. Okay, so remember, I'm always dividing by the number next to the variable. So if that number is a negative 2, I'm going to divide both sides by a negative 2. Okay, so a negative 2 divided by a negative 2 is a positive 1. Okay, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. And it's a negative 3 because if I multiply or divide and the signs are different, it's negative. Okay, so you have to make sure you're following the integer rules. Okay, so 6 divided by 2 is 3, and it's negative because the signs are different.